Ka Sorkar klek kaulang ha Meghalaya balam khmat da ka National People's Party NPP pelatip kum ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 ha ka arpusan tarik unailar araja arpusan kala syem ya karai ban Siew hino ya ka Tulop ki nong tray jong ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council ka KHADC ka JHADC bat ka GHADC nadu ka sitarik ubanai nai weng mentau snam. Kini kejing pentep kalawan lengba Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad Kesangma hadian kejingakran ke babnya pat kinong alam ka Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Ulaong bak Sorkar jela kala syem ya kini rai halor kejingsyam bagi Autonomous District Council ki syam jing ban Siew ya ki Tulop kinong tray nomor babun kejing pelot ban ya kejing penmi pisah. Da kabaan nuksa bah GHADC don kam palat nyupo uklur tingkah hakasisnam ban Siew bay nong tray kat baka jing penmi pisapat kam kot watang laipo uklur ru. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka don ke jing duna ka babon ha padang ke jing penmi pisa bat ke jing pelut pisa bat kani kalong kum ju ru hakiwe ki ADC kum ke JHADC bat katu kat ni haki HADC.
Today, after detailed discussion with the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council, we have realized that there are a lot of challenges that the councils today are facing all over the state. In the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council, the salaries required annually reach up to 70 plus crores, whereas the revenues don't even touch 30 crores. And hence there is a huge deficiency and a gap between revenue and expenditure. The similar conditions are there in other district councils where financial problems are there in the Jayanthe Hills and to some extent in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The district councils are a very important institution in our state, and the district councils are also a symbol of our culture and of our traditions. Hence, it is absolutely necessary for the state government to ensure that not only do the councils work properly, but they also thrive and ensure that different aspects of our tradition and our culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Keeping these aspects in mind, we as a government have decided that coming November 1st, 2025, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Kyrwoh and the Jayanthe Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him, and as per his directions, these decisions are going to be finalized. And in the cabinet tomorrow, we will be officially taking these decisions to ensure that every aspect of what was discussed with the Honorable Governor will be implemented in letter and spirit.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.